Welcome to one of the most advanced electric motor factories in China. In this video, we'll take you inside the manufacturing process of high-performance electric motors used in everything from electric vehicles to industrial machinery. Let's dive in. The journey of an electric motor begins with raw materials. High-quality steel and copper are essential for creating efficient, long-lasting motors. Let's take a look at how these materials are prepared. The stator is the stationary part of the motor, and it plays a crucial role in the motor's efficiency. The process begins by cutting sheets of electrical steel into thin laminations. These are then stacked and welded together to form the stator core. Next, the stator core is wound with copper wire. This is where the magic happens. The winding is done by highly automated machines to ensure the perfect number of turns and tightness, ensuring the motor runs efficiently. Now we move on to the rotor, the rotating part of the motor. The rotor is made from similar high-grade steel and is often precision machined to ensure a smooth rotation. Here, it's balanced to minimize vibrations during operation. With the stator and rotor ready, it's time for the assembly. The stator is inserted into the motor casing, while the rotor is positioned inside the stator. The two parts are aligned perfectly for efficient operation. Next, we add the power connections. The stator is connected to the external power supply through high-quality cables and connectors. These connections are tested for durability and to ensure proper power flow. Before the motor is sent off to customers, it undergoes extensive testing. This includes electrical testing, thermal testing, and performance testing under load to ensure the motor performs at optimal efficiency. Finally, the motor is assembled with any additional components, like cooling fans, and undergoes final quality checks. After passing all tests, the motor is packed, labeled, and ready for shipment. That's it. You've just seen the incredible process behind manufacturing electric motors. From raw materials to the final product, it's a complex, high-tech process that ensures the motors are reliable, efficient, and ready to power the world.